Have you ever wondered why your TV screen can create millions of colors using only 3 colors? Or why mixing paints gives different results from mixing light? Let's discover the amazing science of light and color. Light is a form of energy that travels in waves. White light from the sun actually contains all the colors of the visible spectrum. The primary colors of light are red, green, blue. These are called RGB colors. Every color on your television, computer, and phone screen is made by combining different amounts of red, green, and blue light. When colored lights overlap, they add together. Red plus green equals yellow green plus blue equals cyan blue plus red equals magenta red equals green plus blue equals white light. This is called additive color mixing because colors become brighter as more light is added. Paints, inks, and colored filters work differently. They absorb some colors and reflect others. This is called subtractive color mixing because colors are removed from white light. The primary colors used for pigments are cyan, magenta. Yellow. When all pigments are mixed together, very little light is reflected, making the color appear black or very dark. Objects do not make their own colors. They reflect some colors of light and absorb the rest. A red apple looks red because it reflects red light and absorbs the other colors. A white object reflects all colors. A black object absorbs almost all colors. Understanding color helps us create televisions, smartphones, theater lighting, traffic lights, cameras, and digital displays. Question 1. What are the 3 primary colors of light? Answer: red, green, and blue. Question 2. What color is produced when red and green light are added together? Answer: yellow. Question 3. Why does a leaf appear green? Answer: because it reflects green light. Now you know how light creates every color you see around you. If you enjoyed this lesson, like the video, subscribe, and keep exploring the amazing world of science.
Which are the primary colors of light? What happens when red and green light are added? What happens when red and blue light are added? What happens when green and blue light are added? What color is made when red, green, and blue light are added? Which process mixes colored lights together? Which are the primary colors of pigments? What happens when all pigment colors are mixed? Why do we see an object as green? Which part of the eye detects light and color?